Well, you may see the blowholes over there working hard on this swell that's coming in today, but a beautiful day here in autumn, and it's mid-autumn with May, well, it's more than mid-autumn because May is almost here with us and it's starting to get cooler, but hey, 24 degrees with 6 km/h winds, not too bad at all. Great little spot here, lots of rocks. The beach that I normally fly is over that way, another huge beach that way. But here on the rocks it's very quiet and a really nice little landing spot too, and take-off spot over the ocean waves. So we've got the Maule with us. Haven't flown this in quite some time. I had one of the hinges come off the aileron and I had to re-glue it, but it's all back together again now, which is good, and we'll take it up into the sky with a few cameras strapped on it to see how it really performs. Using a smart battery today, 2200 4-cell battery. We'll check that out. It'll give us some good flights, probably around 8 minutes. So enjoy the flights. Just inside here, right here, I have a tile, and that's a locator just in case it goes down a remote area and I need to find it. It's probably got 150 metres of separation from me and the aircraft, so it should be good if you went into the bush. May hear a few planes around doing their parachute drops here today. Great day for parachuting. As I said, a nice little runway here. We've got our windsock on today, our dead cat, so that we don't get a lot of breeze noise, and we should be able to take off straight over towards the east, which is where the wind's coming direction wise straight ahead.
Uniform completed airwork tracking outside of the zone.
Okay, delivery to contact me 126.48.
Yeah, we'll come in for a nice, slow, close pass with the wind, coming in with the wind, so it won't be that slow. Lovely sounding motor, isn't it? Now we'll come the other way, which is against the wind. We should be able to come in nice and slow that way. There's the ocean. Into the sun, it's not very good. Now I'll see if I can show you guys the sea and the blowhole as we come past it here. We're down towards the blowhole now. Here it comes now. There it is. Beautiful ocean. Preparing for a landing, come across this field and into this low grass and onto the stones, hopefully. No need for flaps. Great bush plane, isn't it? Love to see this flying in Alaska. Up the hill, and she pulls up. fine day for flying. Good old-fashioned Headcam that I use. It's been around for quite some time, but it's effective. And from this lovely coastal area to you, wherever you may be in the world, we hope you have a great week, and thanks for watching.